Do you really know how to use the sorted function effectively in Python? It's one of those built-in functions that seems simple at first, but offers a lot of flexibility once you understand how to use its parameters. Let's walk through a practical example together. Imagine you have a list of words, just regular strings like apple, banana, kiwi, and grape. Now, what if you want to sort these words not alphabetically, but based on their length from the shortest word to the longest? One way to do this is by creating your own function using def. That function would take a word as input and return its length. Then, you can pass that function to the key parameter of the sorted function. This tells Python exactly what to compare while sorting. In this case, the length of each word. It works perfectly fine and is easy to understand, especially if you're just starting out with Python. But there's a slightly cleaner and more compact way to achieve the same result, and that's by using a Lambda function. A Lambda function lets you define small, anonymous functions directly where you need them. So instead of writing a separate function, you can pass the logic directly into the sorted function. This keeps your code short, readable, and removes the need to define extra functions unless you plan to reuse them. And now comes the most elegant option, using Python's built-in len function. Since len already returns the length of a string, you don't need to write anything custom at all. You can just pass key equals len to the sorted function, and Python will automatically use the length of each word to sort the list. It's clean, it's simple, and it's exactly what the key parameter was designed for. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out the other videos in the series for more Python tips and tricks. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything new.